Perfect. Perfect.
I sent you the link, Poppin. Remember? Remember? Black Jesus? Poppin! Hey guys, what is up? Today is what? I don't know. Why am I always start my vlog them, so guys? I really don't know. So today is Tuesday. Yes, today is Tuesday. The Nubian locks are back. Okay, talk to me. I cut them. You guys know they were originally knee length, but I cut them because I wanted to keep them in for a very long time this time, and the knee length was killing me, girl. I got an impromptu day off. My best friend Michelle from my vacation vlog, you guys would have seen a little bit of her. She's here for a few, and we're gonna be having dinner. Somebody I saw with Panar. So I really wanted to vlog today, but then I was thinking to myself, oh my god, I have so many unedited vlogs and you guys are probably so tired of watching my vlogs. Like, this is literally how I feel. So I was like, I kind of feel repetitive little bit. You guys can let me know in the comments if you guys don't mind the vlogs coming. Me don't always say, oh, I just made the video, but I personally just feel like I'm repeating myself, you know what I'm with? Yeah, so y'all know, light on the beat. My lashes are doing a little bit much more than it normally does. Yeah, so I've had to put on a mask for the past however long I did up on the road now. I'm hungry bad. Me not eat from morning, like literally no breakfast, just a cup of coffee, and that is it. I just left popping. My tragus piercing here, the ball fell off this one, so I ended up having to go get that replaced, and I bought a new ring to put in there. But I actually like this one because it's very simple. The other one is a little bit more fashionable, but this one is more simple. So yeah, locks are back in. Oh my god, I swear my assistant does such a great job with my hair, guys. I don't do my hair anymore. I think they telling her this, she's the one who does it, so she also started taking appointments, guys. So on some days of the week we double up. So if you guys are looking to book for the service, y'all already know, link down below. Instagram NaturallyMsToya, and that's where the info is to book and stuff. But yeah, we're trying to go Gloria's. My dad says he's already there, so I'm gonna order for we if we want. It's just dinner with me and Michelle, but daddy don't there eat, so I'm saying, you know, him can order food if we want him for do that for we. But yeah, it's raining. It's raining. I like that. I see the wetness on the glass. It's been raining from morning actually, like on and off. So it is a cloudy day. It's very cloudy, you know. It's pretty dark outside still, and it's 4 o'clock. Which is not what I want, because I really want us to just hurry up. Got me say 7 o'clock curfew now, so we just need to hurry up, go get dinner and come back, because this ain't cute. Yeah, I'm just really excited. I haven't seen her since January when we did go up. She's a whole mood. Miss Attitude Queen. I don't know if she's gonna be in the mood to be on camera. Probably not. That's Michelle. She don't like camera like that. So we'll see. We will see. We'll see if this vlog makes sense, because if she not come on camera, we not got enough to this. That felt too cute though. It is. Okay.
My one eyebrow.
Right. Le Bestie. We're gonna eat. We're hungry. Well, me hungry. You look like you eat from morning.
I ate a burger.
Wow. Wow. These people that you're planning to eat with eat before you.
First of all.
Right. Let's go.
How you know this bitch hurry?
Hold on. I really don't know which one. There are 3 restaurants in here. Which one do you want to eat at? I think he ate at Gloria's. I ate there when I went to dinner. This is Ruby's. It's just, they're all the fucking same. Never ate at Gloria's. Do you want us to see the menu before we go upstairs? Okay, I think it's upstairs. Did she go in there for you? That's cute. Right there. Oh, seafood. I mean, I like seafood, but I don't like smelling it so much. Hi. Yes, I think. Come again? Oh, maybe just it. You know what should have been done? When you got here, I should have done your hair for you to go back up. That's what should have happened.
Then who gonna take it out?
There's a video, Michelle.
I'm not about to watch YouTube to figure out.
No, I made a video. It's like a minute long. Oh shit. Okay. Somebody's woman. Okay. I should have caught that. Yeah. I should have caught that though. Alright guys, we decided to have Gloria's, so this is their menu. I really don't know what I'm going to get yet. You should have bring the liquor.
I should have, but
yeah.
It is what it is.
Well, at least this view is nicer than Ribby's view downstairs. With Ribby's view, all you see are just like dirty water. Yeah, it's a nice day enough. Thank God it's not raining still. Need to figure out what Mega gets. So they sell at straight seafood themselves here? I think. Fisherman's diet, compost salad. I definitely ain't getting no freaking salad. Alright, I might get one fish for mommy. I don't know what kind of fish. I really don't know. Steamed fish? Yeah. Okay. What you getting?
Steamed fish and bummy.
This man is out here fishing.
Nobody's coming here to buy Alfredo. Like, nobody.
Yo, that's what I get every time I go somewhere.
That's what I cook when I don't feel like doing anything.
Right. I still, because I'm just like, can you believe it though? Ooh, a seagull. And he's so cute. Can you believe when I went to Ribby's the other day at that Magate and them spoiled that? I never know if people could have spoiled Alfredo. I never know. I was shook. Ooh. Ooh. Yes.
Everything you promised.
Whole world, you know.
Nothing like I thought it'd be. Everything you promised me. Nothing like I thought it.
Roses and thorns, no tattoos on my arms. Shorty wanna get blonde, shorty wanting it strong. Shorty wanna get high, shorty wanna get by. Shorty just wanna hear all of these lies. Shorty wanna see fake, yeah. Shorty just can't wait. That's right. Shorty wanna change state, pop some Malay. Trips to the bay, bottles on the way, bottles on the way. Put my song on, replenish. Oh yeah, yeah, I promised to put you in something exotic. Oh damn, yeah, I promised put you up in something fine. Oh yeah, yeah, I promised to put you in something exotic, right? Oh yeah, yeah, I promised to put you in something fire. Hold up, wait now. Shorty wanna ride this dick all day now. Damn. Shorty gonna swallow a dick all the way down. Get on your knees, ass up, face down. The sex amazing, you captivating. You got me wondering, got me waiting. My blood pumping, I got you shaking. I said my blood pumping, I got you shaking. Oh yeah, yeah, I promised to put you in something exotic. Oh damn, yeah, I promised put you up in something fine. Oh yeah, yeah, I promised to put you in something exotic.
Stop! Guys, we don't eat.
Oh shit, it's a video.
Yes, it's a video.
Yeah.
Flips hair.
Flips poor people hair.
Right. When I get ready for leave, guys, I have a headache, yo. I feel like I don't even know. We're trying to get the guys to take some pictures of us.
Let me behave.
Right. That's why my vein be doing the most. You see that shit? It's just there. Like, did you not notice this before? It's there whenever I'm extremely happy, or if I got a headache. It's like it's a Y. It's actually
You're
a Y.
happy, I'm here.
Michelle, bring veins. The ones in front are bad guys, when I lie. Why? Because you thought you were fat?
Because they didn't fit the last time I tried one.
Yo, I the most video this make it for you, you know? I want to keep. I don't understand.
I might not come back for a while.
Okay guys, it's getting dark. I really don't know if I'm going to get to close this vlog out. Michelle gone put on her bag. I'm a little buzzed. All I had was 2 Smirnoffs and that's it. I've been telling you guys I am a lightweight. I'm very, very lightweight. I'm so tired. But I'm gonna jump on the highway and now play some tune and go home. I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little vlog. It was really cute. It was a cute vlog, guys. My battery's dying. I'm on 13% and I need juice for the road. I forgot my charger, which is so weird of me. So I'm gonna say if I should come back for come close out the vlog. I'm so tired. It's super dark, so yeah. Me got me yard. Me got me. Scene. And scene. Yeah. We hope you enjoyed this vlog, guys. Right, what else do you want to say?
I'm on the vlog.
Yes, bitch.
Where are we on? Okay, hi. I don't have a YouTube, so.
Guys, but I mean, they did glimpse you in my vacation vlog, so I was like, you know, at the beginning of the vlog, yeah, they did. When we went out, we were having dinner at that place. I snapped you.
When I look homeless?
Right.
Wow.
Because you didn't want to be on camera. I really don't know what's
this is
changed,
me.
guys.
I still don't want to be on camera.
Right, but you know, we look cute, so we can do that now.
Sure.
We don't look homeless.
I don't look homeless.
That's the important thing.
Amen. I just look poor.
Oh my god. Guys, we hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was a cute little one-day vlog, one evening, one summer. Yeah, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also thumbs up this video and drop us a comment down below. Let us know if you guys liked this vlog. If you've been to Gloria's, share your experience with me down in the comments, because the food was okay. The food did alright, right? Yeah, is that a good thing?
I ate it and I was fine.
But you were hungry.
I wasn't hungry.
Right. I was hungry, so I ate it, but it didn't taste bad. It did taste alright. Yeah. So if you've been to Gloria's, share your experience with me in the comment section.
The Long Island iced tea, on the other hand, was very good.
Okay. Alright. I didn't have that, you know. Just drinking a little Smirnoff. But thanks guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.